Intro, 0 o'clock, 0:30. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing something wild. I used AI to start an entire business in just 24 hours. Yep, from the idea to branding to launching a website, all powered by AI tools. And the best part? You can do it too. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and how it turned out. Step 1. Finding the idea, 0:30, 1:30. The first step was choosing a business idea. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 low-cost, digital-first business ideas based on current trends. After a bit of back and forth, I settled on a digital planner subscription service, a business model with recurring revenue, minimal overhead, and tons of creative potential. To validate the idea, I asked ChatGPT to generate a quick market analysis. It pulled together key data on the growing digital organization niche and even identified potential competitors like Etsy shops and Notion template creators. Step 2. Branding and naming, 1:30, 2:30. Next, I needed a name and brand. I gave ChatGPT a short prompt. Suggest 10 names for a digital productivity brand targeting millennials. It delivered some great options. I ended up choosing Planora, simple, modern, and available as a domain. Then I used Midjourney to generate a logo, and ChatGPT helped write the brand tagline, productivity that flows with you. It also provided a basic color palette and voice tone guide. Step 3. Product creation, 2:33:45. With the brand set, it was time to create the product. I used Canva and Notion to design digital planners, but the real hack? I asked ChatGPT to outline the structure of each planner type, daily, weekly, wellness-focused, and so on. ChatGPT even helped me write prompts, habit trackers, and goal-setting templates. In under 3 hours, I had 4 polished planners ready for download. Step 4. Website and e-commerce setup, 3:45, 5 o'clock. For the website, I used a no-code builder like Card and integrated Gumroad for payment processing. ChatGPT wrote all my landing page copy, product descriptions, FAQs, and even a short About bio. In less than an hour, I had a professional-looking site with a working sales funnel. The AI even helped generate a simple privacy policy and refund terms to make things legit. Step 5. Marketing materials, 5 o'clock, 6:30. Next, I needed to promote. ChatGPT helped create a week-long content plan for TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. I used it to write captions, script short-form videos, and even brainstorm viral hook ideas. It also drafted a welcome email series for new customers and a basic newsletter template to keep subscribers engaged. To generate social visuals, I used Canva templates with AI-generated quotes and productivity tips. Everything looked consistent and on brand. Step 6, launching, 6:30, 7:30. By hour 20, everything was ready to go. I scheduled a few TikToks and IG Reels, published the website, and posted the link in a few productivity-focused Reddit threads and Facebook groups. Within the first few hours, I had my first few email signups and even made one sale. Not life-changing, but proof that the concept worked. What I learned, 7:30, 8:30. Here's what I learned. AI doesn't replace you, but it multiplies your output. Speed beats perfection. I could have spent weeks polishing, but shipping fast got results. Niche is everything. A well-targeted specific audience makes marketing easier. Stacking tools saves time. I use ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad, and Card in sync to move quickly. Closing 8:30, 9 o'clock. Starting a business in 24 hours felt impossible, until AI made it doable. Will it make me a millionaire overnight? Probably not. But it's a legit business with real potential, and it all started with an idea and a few prompts. If you want me to walk through the exact prompts I used or show a tutorial on setting up your own AI-powered business, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Embarking on this journey has not only expanded my understanding of AI tools, but also ignited a newfound passion for entrepreneurship. The thrill of seeing a business concept come to life within a single day, turning ideas into reality at lightning speed, was exhilarating. Finding the right balance between innovative automation and personal touch proved essential. I discovered that while AI can handle much of the legwork, it's the human element that truly resonates with potential customers. After all, they connect with stories, not just products. With the systems in place and a solid product lineup, I felt a mix of excitement and nervous anticipation. As I hit publish on the website, the reality of launching my own venture sank in. This was a moment crafted by both technology and my own determination. Would the digital planners resonate with others? Would my marketing efforts pay off? Only time would tell. But the groundwork was laid, and the journey was well underway. Starting this venture came with its own set of challenges and learning experiences. Just when I thought I had covered all bases, new questions would arise, each requiring a little improvisational flair to resolve. For instance, juggling customer inquiries while trying to generate fresh content for my social media channels felt like a balancing act on a tightrope. However, every hiccup merely highlighted the importance of resilience in entrepreneurship. As the days passed, I continued to learn and adapt. Feedback from early customers helped refine my offerings, and I found myself implementing new features in response to their suggestions. This iterative process became not just a way to improve my product, but also a means to foster a genuine connection with my audience. Each email I received felt like a conversation, a chance to understand their needs better, making my digital planners not only tools but companions in their productivity journeys. Suddenly, the venture was more than just a business. It was a community, and that was the most fulfilling part of all. As the weeks progressed, I started to notice patterns in my customers' behaviors and preferences. I dove into analytics to understand which planners were most popular and what marketing strategies successfully drove traffic to my site. This data-driven approach opened my eyes to new opportunities. Perhaps I could expand my product line or tailor planners to specific demographics, like students or professionals. Engaging with my growing community, I frequently asked for their insights through polls and surveys, reinforcing the idea that listening to your audience can significantly shape your business's future. The excitement of connecting with my audience revealed a treasure trove of potential improvements. I found myself innovating new planner designs that resonated deeply with their needs, like a budget planner or a self-care journal. This wasn't just about sales anymore. It was about creating an impact and helping others streamline their lives. Every day brought new challenges, but it also offered fresh opportunities for growth. I began to explore partnerships with other content creators and influencers, forging connections that would help amplify my brand's message. By sharing my journey and collaborating with like-minded individuals, I expanded my reach and visibility exponentially. As I navigated these avenues, I continued to emphasize authenticity, showing the real behind-the-scenes hustle of running a business with AI as my co-pilot. Each piece of content became a reflection of that journey, an invitation for others to join in on the adventure of planning and productivity. Ultimately, it wasn't just about thriving in business. It was about building a legacy that empowered others to take control of their lives. Amidst the excitement, I faced moments of doubt that tested my resolve. Would my initial success be sustainable? Were the planners delivering real value to users? To combat uncertainties, I focused on creating consistent engagement strategies, ensuring my audience felt heard and appreciated. Through weekly live Quanda sessions, I opened channels for genuine conversation, diving into their experiences with my planners and what features they'd love to see next. Each interaction rejuvenated my motivation, reinforcing the idea that building this business was more than just transactional. It was about fostering a supportive network aimed at enhancing everyone's productivity journey. Despite the challenges, my journey was filled with incredible milestones that shaped not only my business, but also my perspective on entrepreneurship. Thanking those who supported me became a priority as I recognized their role in my success. Sharing their stories made my brand more relatable. Additionally, I learned to embrace vulnerability, revealing my struggles and triumphs through social media. Each post resonated with potential customers and created a community united by shared aspirations. Engaging with feedback and insights transformed my digital planners into resources tailored to my audience's evolving needs, ensuring growth was sustainable. As I approached my next phase, the vision of scaling my efforts solidified, propelling me toward even more ambitious endeavors. Starting a business in a day seemed outlandish, yet the blend of human creativity and AI efficiency made it happen. This journey evolved from a single idea into a thriving community focused on productivity, making every moment worthwhile. As I reflect on this incredible journey, I am filled with gratitude for the tools that enabled me to transform a simple concept into a vibrant community. It's a testament to the endless possibilities when creativity meets technology. Remember, you too can embark on this path. Your journey begins with a single idea.